The Adventure of the Enchanted Forest. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between towering mountains, there lived a brave young girl named Lily. She had always dreamed of exploring the mysterious enchanted forest that lay just beyond the village borders. The villagers often told tales of magical creatures and hidden treasures waiting to be discovered within its depths. One sunny morning, Lily decided it was time to embark on her adventure. She packed a small bag with bread, cheese, and a flask of water, and set off toward the forest. As she entered the woods, a cool breeze rustled the leaves, and she could hear the faint sound of a babbling brook. After walking for a while, Lily stumbled upon a shimmering pond surrounded by colorful flowers. As she approached the water, she noticed a tiny sparkle beneath the surface. Curious, she leaned closer, and to her surprise, a beautiful mermaid emerged, her long hair flowing like silk. "Thank you for finding my enchanted jewel," the mermaid said, smiling brightly. "I will grant you one wish as a token of my gratitude." Lily thought hard about her wish. She could ask for riches or fame, but deep down, she longed for adventure and friendship. "I wish to explore the furthest corners of this forest and meet all its magical creatures," she exclaimed. With a wave of the mermaid's hand, the pond glowed, and suddenly, Lily found herself surrounded by the vibrant inhabitants of the enchanted forest. Fairies danced in the air, talking animals shared their tales, and wise old trees whispered secrets from centuries past. Lily spent the day swimming with the mermaids, having tea with fairies, and listening to the stories of the forest creatures. As the sun began to set, however, she knew it was time to return to her village. The mermaid and all her new friends gathered at the pond to bid her farewell. "Remember, brave Lily, the magic of friendship will always be with you," the mermaid said. With a heart full of joy, Lily promised to return. When she finally made her way back home, she knew that this adventure was just the beginning. The enchanted forest held countless secrets, and she couldn't wait to uncover them all. The end.